Hello, Matthews Gatos here. In this video, I want to look at how do I factor using tic-tac-toe. Yes, you heard me correctly, X's and O's. How am I going to use that to factor this? So I have 4n squared minus 15n minus 25. First thing I'm going to do is put the tic-tac-toe grid there. Now, for 4n squared, in the grids above, I'm going to list out two possible factors of 4n squared. In the last column, I'm going to list possible factors of negative 25. And I'm going to use cross products to combine them to see, do they add to negative 15n? So let's go ahead and try one. So 4n squared, I could get that by doing 2n times 2n, because 2n times 2n, 4n squared. 25, I could get that by doing negative 5 times positive 5. That's negative 25. Let's use our cross products and see what we end up with. So 2n times by 5, that's a positive 5, is positive 10n. 2n times negative 5 is negative 10n. If I add those together, I get 0, which is not what I wanted. I wanted negative 15. So that tells me that my factors are too close together. So I need to try again, just maybe spreading them out a little further. So let's try a different strategy for 4n squared. Maybe let's try 4n and positive n. So 4n times n, 4n squared, yes. Let's look at negative 25. So I know I can get 5 times 5, but let's try making this one positive and this one negative. So multiplying cross products, 4n times negative 5 is negative 20n. n times positive 5 is positive 5n. Adding those together, negative 20n plus 5n is negative 15n. Oh, and I got it correct. So now to do my factors, I'm just going to read horizontally across like this. 4n plus 5 and n minus 5, just the circled numbers there. So I can check that using distributive property to see if I'm right. But that's how you factor with the tic-tac-toe grid. So sometimes you just have to do it a couple of times, playing around with the numbers. So let's try another one. The more of these you do, the more you'll start to see how the numbers are going to combine together. So again, let's start by putting the tic-tac-toe grid on this polynomial. Okay, so let's try for the factors of 6x squared, let's try it as 2x and 3x. And then we'll try the factors of negative 6. Let's try that as negative 3 and positive 2. So using our cross products, let's see what we get. We get 2x times 2 is positive 4x. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. And when I add those together, 4x plus negative 9x, I get negative 5x. I'm so close. I wanted positive 5x. So what I have to do is switch my signs around. So let's try doing that again, but this time we're going to switch the signs around on our last one. So I'm going to keep the 2x and the 3x together as it was. 2x times 3x, 6x squared. Now negative 6, I know it's 3 times 2, but let's try making this one positive and this one negative. So using our cross products, 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. 3x times positive 3 is positive 9x. Adding those together, negative 4x and 9x is positive 5x. Oh, I got it. Okay, so looking at my factors, again, I'm going to go horizontally. I have 2x times positive 3. And here, 3x times negative 2. So that's how you factor with tic-tac-toe. So I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one.